Ooh, now that's how you clear a bitch. I don't know who that hoe is.
What's here? It's your girl. I got the juice and I'm back.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that.
As y'all can see, your girl did her thing on the color. We went for like a half and half. Y'all know the vibes. But this hair is from Beauty Exchange. They sent me 3 bundles and the HD 613 closure. HD 613 closure. Now I am gonna take y'all on the coloring process of how I got this hair color, the colors that I use, the stuff that I used to do this. So let's get into it. Period. As you can see, this is how the hair came packaged. It's from Janet Collection. Like I said before, it came from Beauty Exchange. It's 613 HD closure with 3 bundles, 16, 18, 20 inch. This is how the packaging look. If y'all want to get it off this site or in store, this is what y'all need to look for. This is how the bundles and the closure look up close. It comes at standard 613. If you don't want this, all you gotta do is tone it. One thing I can say, this hair did have a high luster and it was very nice to touch. Like, it didn't feel like that crunchy 613. You won't need that. This is the closure. As you can see, it is pre-plucked. I didn't have to do anything to this closure when it came down to me trying to install. The knots were very little, literally no problems. This is how it looks on the thing. You can tell that it's pre-plucked, how it blends. It's not all bulky at the top. We don't need that. This is how the hair looks. Again, it was nice to the touch. And y'all need to stretch our lace to make sure y'all lace is literally good lace. If the lace can stretch, it's good lace. You don't need that hard lace. Now right here, I went ahead and made my wig with the bundles in the closure, and I just split it down the middle. I lost the footage, so that's why I'm telling y'all what I did. And I'm literally going track by track, just dyeing it. And no, I'm not using no Adore dye, no Kiss Temptation. Use permanent black dye. If you want black hair on blonde, use permanent dye. Listen, sis, don't work smarter, not harder, okay? And y'all just about to watch me do my 1-2 on this 613, period. And I'll come back when we get ready to the other side. Okay, y'all see how it's looking? Very much black. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into the color. All I did was part the sections into pieces, and the way I'm coloring my hair is gonna be a rainbow, but I'm doing like a darker version, lighter version of each color. So I got a dark purple, a lavender, a darker blue, a lighter blue. That's how I'm doing it. So you see the purple already done. Right now I'm doing my lavender piece, my little one too. Yup. And every color I basically use the same color, just added some white conditioner just to lighten it. If not, if I had the color that was the lighter version, then I just did that. But child, like I said, it works smarter, not harder. But you can see the purple, the blue. Right now I'm doing a light version of the green. And y'all just gonna see me go ahead and do my thing. Next, I'm gonna do the yellow, the orange, and the red. For the red, I didn't do like a light red. I just did pink because that just makes sense, right? Exactly. Watch the girl do her big one. They don't call me paint job by law for nothing. Because, baby, when I say I paint, I definitely paint. And I'm always gonna give her a look, baby. Just wait for the install, sis. Wait for the install. Period. You see how the girl coming, baby. When I say I gives, I motherfucking gives, baby. You see all the variations of the colors and the way they blowing. Yeah. Wait till y'all see the and when I say it be did her thing. Alright, now that we got the color portion out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and get into the install, and I'll be back on my final thoughts. Alright, right here I'm just showing y'all how my hair colors look, baby. They're very much vibrant and they're very much giving taste the rainbow. We finna flatten out the top part of our hair because we need to be flat. Don't worry about my part, honey. I'm gonna fix that. But we need to be flat because, baby, we can't be giving Humpty Dumpty. Now, when you're trying to do a sleep middle part, baby, it gotta be flat. We need the flatness. Right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and hot comb in her back. And yes, I did burn myself, honey. That shit. And just be honest, if you ain't feeling the heat, you was not doing it right. But yep, I did the same thing to the other side. Now y'all gonna see me go ahead and put my hair up so that I could get ready to go ahead and get this melted. Okay, we finna get into this melt. A lot of people do this stuff differently. Y'all spray it, let it dry, spray another layer. I don't do that. Work smarter, not harder. I spray the spray directly on the lace on top. I position it where I need it to sit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my elastic band on so it could go ahead and make it melt. And baby, just trust the process because it's gonna be a melt. Okay, now that we got that part done, I'm gonna go ahead and get into straightening this wig. We need this girl to be silky, flowy, and ready to motherfucking go. So that's what I'm about to do. Y'all about to watch your girl slay. Okay, period. If y'all don't use wet sticks, y'all need to go ahead and start using wet sticks. The wet sticks get all the flyaways and make sure they in place and not out of place. So I put me a little bit of my wax stick. I'm going ahead with my hot comb on the highest heat, baby, because like Eric and Tay said, if you don't feel the heat, you ain't doing it right. So hot comb that thing, make sure we get my sis flat up top because we don't need no Humpty Dumpties. Period. And we're gonna go ahead and get into straightening my brow. Okay, now that we done, I went ahead and took my elastic band off, and now I'm gonna go ahead and, y'all, you see, fix the part. Don't worry, it's gonna be fixed. I'm cutting off that extra lace because it's not needed. It's in a way, and it ain't doing that for me, baby. And y'all see the little lace done came up, baby. Just like I said, trust the process because when I say it's gonna be a melt, it's gonna be a melt. Add a little bit more hairspray, dry it. Yup, I got me a little portable fan, baby, because baby, the lace gotta be secure at all times. Okay, now that we got that extra lace cut off, we're gonna get into the second stop of melting, period. We're gonna put out the baby hairs, baby, because every look is the look because of the baby hairs, period. Y'all see it's already giving scalp, but baby, it's gonna get scalp. We're gonna take some hairspray, spray it, and put the elastic band right back on. Then add some more hairspray on top. That's what I do. When I secure mine with laces, I have to add hairspray on the band. We're gonna go ahead and cut them baby hairs. Make sure they're real short. This is a closure, baby. We can't do too much, baby. We can do a little bit. We can make it look like it's up on them. Get you some gel, period. Gel up, y'all. And we're just gonna go ahead and do 3 little swoops. One in the middle, one on this side, one on this side. We're gonna call it a day. Period. And this is the end result, baby. Who didn't come to slay, bitch? One thing I'm gonna tell you, I did my thing with this hair color, baby, from the rainbow to the jet black. This hair was 613. You wouldn't be able to know or tell. Yeah, stop playing with the girl paint job by a lot. That's on beauty exchange. Okay, y'all done see the inside. Y'all seen the color, period. And this is what the girl is giving, honey. I did make some TikTok content. If y'all want to see that, I'm gonna put some right here. Period. And the girl is living, honey. I'm like, anybody that know me know I'm known for doing colors, but baby, I've never done a half and half on myself. I've done it on my in-law before, but I've never done it on myself. And I love how the colors are just hitting. Everything is flowing. The hair is soft. I do get some shedding, and that's just because, you know, all hair sheds. Your natural hair sheds, so don't expect for your hair not to shed. But yes, overall thoughts, I love this hair. Y'all can get it at beautyexchange.com or at any beauty exchanges in your local companies. I will put all the information down below, the hair, the specs, all that stuff, anything y'all need to find. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at LogOutTheJuice. Follow me on TikTok at I Got the Juice One, and make sure y'all follow Beauty Exchange